Hi, I'm Laura from the Lookfantastic Beauty Box team, and I'm here today with Nicola Bailey, ESPA expert, to unbox the Lookfantastic and ESPA limited edition collaboration.
And I'm going to be taking you through each of the products and how to recreate that beautiful spa experience at home. So Laura, our first product that we're going to use today from our box is our Optimal Skin Pro Cleanser. And it's the first stage that we want to do in any facial experience, whether that's in the spa or at home, because we need to cleanse and we need to exfoliate. And the fantastic thing about this product is it does both together. So we want to take about a 10p size worth of the product. And as you can see, it's got some really lovely jojoba beads in there, which are naturally going to exfoliate the skin, but it's also got pumpkin, and that's going to take away any dead, dry skin cells that are on the surface of your skin. So what we want to do is warm it in our hands together, and we're going to apply it onto our dry skin. And we want to start by applying it onto the neck, then the cheeks, and then the forehead. Fantastic. Now before we do circles, we want to actually take some water into our hands. Nice tepid water is a good idea. And then take that water between the hands, and we're going to start on the neck, and we want to do nice little circular movements. That's fantastic. And what you'll feel is the beads, the jojoba beads, starting to melt into the skin. Can you feel that?
Yeah.
And isn't the smell beautiful with the pumpkin? Really fresh, brilliant at this time of the year. We want to really focus round about the nose as well, and then coming up onto the forehead. And we can use this product every day, in the morning or in the evening, twice a day if you want to, because the beads are so gentle, it's not going to overstimulate the skin. And then we just want to give a nice pressure at the temples, and then release. So Laura, we're now going to remove our Optimal Skin Pro Cleanser, and I've got a nice warm mitt here, just tepid water, not too hot, that you can use to remove it. If you were at home though, you could also stand by the sink and just splash with some nice tepid water as well. Either is perfect. So we want to work on the neck, working upwards to remove.
Like this?
That's beautiful. And then over the cheeks and the chin, making sure we're getting around the nose and the forehead as well. Fantastic. So Laura, our next stage in our spa experience at home is to apply our face treatment oil or serum. So our Optimal Skin Pro Serum is fantastic because it's a serum and an oil together. So if you were concerned about maybe using a face oil and it being too heavy for the skin, especially in summer, then this is perfect because it's much lighter, but it's got all of the wonderful nourishment that a face oil would have. So I'm going to let you take a little bit, again about 5p size of this product, into the hand.
Gosh, that's tiny, isn't it?
I know, you don't need a lot at all. A little goes a really long way. And what we want to do is warm it into our hands here. I'm going to hover over our nose and take some nice deep breaths. And as you exhale, just exhale the tension, any strain, any worries. And then with your next breath, let's apply it in a nice upward direction to our neck. Nice upward direction to the cheeks. Beautiful.
It smells lovely.
Isn't it amazing? You've got your balloon flower extract here, you've got your turmeric, all fantastic, powerful antioxidants for the skin. So Laura, the next product we're going to apply to our skin is our overnight hydration therapy. And the beauty of ESPA is that you actually do layer your products, one on top of the other, to get really beneficial results for the skin. So you want to take about a 10p size of the product into your hand here. And we want to warm that product into the hand. Beautiful. And then again, we want to just hold over our nose and inhale that beautiful aroma. So we want to actually take it to the neck in an upward direction. Lovely. And then taking it over the cheeks, making sure we include that nose as well. And then over the forehead. We're going to apply our pink hair and scalp mask. So it's a beautiful mask, not only for the hair, but also it's going to treat the skin through the scalp as well with the red clays. So what I'm going to ask you to do, Laura, is just to take out your hair from your ponytail. Fantastic. I'm going to give you a small amount of the pink hair and scalp mud, about a 10p size. And most importantly with this is we want to actually get it into the scalp as well as through the ends of the hair. Just take a little bit onto the fingertips, and then we're just going to take it and take it through our scalp. And we really want to part the hair, take a little bit more, and then we're going to move all the way around. So taking another line right the way back through into our scalp. Beautiful. And then all the way. Beautiful. And then we're going to take the rest in between our hands. And then bring our hair forward, and we can bring the rest of that product all the way through and really bring all of that hair so we're not leaving any area that's untouched. Fantastic. So Laura, we've now woken up in the morning feeling really refreshed, and I'm going to go through with you what you can apply to your skin. And we actually have our Optimal Skin Pro Moisturizer, which is a fantastic lightweight moisturizer that you can use, perfect for this time of year. So Laura, I'm just going to give you a small amount, the size of a 5p piece, into your hand here, and you can take it between both hands, and you're going to take it all the way in circular movements to the neck, the cheeks. Make sure you get the nose, the forehead. How's that texture feeling?
It's great. Is it suitable for all skin types?
Yeah, it's brilliant for all skin types. It has a really, really beautiful ingredient, which is a yeast bioferment in there, and it actually feeds the good bacteria on your skin, so it is fantastic for balancing skin, it's great for radiance, and it will leave your skin really soft and really smooth. Now we're going to go through our fitness body oil, and we've got a deluxe size here in the box for you. With exercise, we all know we can get some tight muscles, whether that be in the legs, in the shoulders. I'm going to try a little bit on your arm here, but you can use it on any area of the body. And with this, again, because it's aromatherapy, let's warm it into our hands. And nice deep breaths, and actually let's take 2 deep breaths here. And can you really smell the essential oils?
Yeah, it smells lovely.
So I'm going to apply it here, or you can apply it to yourself onto your arm, into this area here. And you want to just rub it into the arm and into the muscles.
Like this?
That's perfect. And actually what the aroma that you're smelling is our clove buds and our Indian bay, which are beautiful essential oils for the muscles. And I'd recommend, if you are doing the exercise, a little bit before, as I said, and a little bit afterwards is perfect. So Laura, that's our spa experience at home complete. How are you feeling?
Very refreshed and very relaxed.
Amazing.
Thank you, Nicola, for joining us today. And thank you for watching our unboxing. All ESPA products are available on Lookfantastic.